Good afternoon. United States President Donald Trump faced significant obstacles this week as the United States Supreme Court issued rulings that not only challenged his positions on voting rights, but also delivered two distinct legal defeats. Let's break it down. In a landmark decision, the United States Supreme Court affirmed that states can count mail-in ballots received after Election Day, provided they are postmarked by that day. The ruling overturned a previous appellate court decision that had declared the Mississippi law allowing late arriving ballots as contrary to federal law. The Supreme Court's majority indicated that while federal laws set the federal election day, they do not mandate that all mail-in ballots must be received by then. The critical factor is that ballots must be post-dated by Election Day. This ruling is a setback for President Trump's long-standing push for stricter mail-in voting and voter registration regulations. Trump's administration had argued vigorously for the exclusion of all ballots not received by Election Day, linking mail-in voting with potential election fraud, though lacking substantive evidence. Had the Supreme Court supported Trump's stance, state authorities across the nation would have faced the challenge of modifying their voting rules mere months before the upcoming congressional elections in the fall. In a separate and high-profile development, Donald Trump also found himself on the losing side in a personal legal battle. The Supreme Court declined to review a case from a lower court, which had ordered Trump to pay $5 million to a journalist for sexual assault and later defamation. The decision was reached without the justices specifying their reasons, a silent but powerful affirmation of the lower court's ruling. Another legal blow came as the Supreme Court rejected a government petition regarding a dispute with the Federal Reserve, thus allowing Federal Reserve Board member Lisa Cook to remain in her position for now. The government's case will continue in lower courts. This decision underscored the historic independence of the Federal Reserve, emphasizing its critical role in maintaining trust in monetary policy and financial stability. The justices highlighted that Cook had not been given adequate opportunity to address accusations prior to dismissal, thereby reinforcing foundational United States principles regarding the central bank's autonomy from political influence. With these Supreme Court decisions, President Trump is facing mounting challenges both legally and politically as he aspires to reshape United States voting laws and maintain a decisive grip over various federal institutions. If this story matters to you, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss the German perspective. Now tell me, what's your take? Drop it in the comments.